Welcome to all. Next session, I am talking about what is mean by eyedropper. So, what is mean by eyedropper means you can just press I, it automatically select. Otherwise, you can come here and can select the eyedropper. If you click on here, you can see that the color is automatically changing here. You can see. So, I am clicking another color. You can see that color is selected on the foreground. This color we are using for a painting or anything. Okay. So again, I am selecting the eyedropper tool again. Then I am clicking it somewhere in this red color. So automatically here you can see the red color is changed. I am clicking here. This is changed to this color. Okay. So then next question is how to give the sample. I have explained in the previous video what it is mean by pixels. So this is called pixels. So here one you can see that in eyedropper there is a point selection. So I'm point selection I'm selecting this. So this color is come. Another one I am selecting this. You can see the point selection in the toolbar left side where my mouse cursor is there, that color is selected. So instead of selecting a single color, I want average of 3. So you will get an average of 3 is this. So you get this color. Average of 3 is this color. Then I am selecting point color. So you can see the point color is different. Average color is different. And another thing is when you selected, the below ring is the already is there, and upper half ring is this color you selected now. See, the below ring is the new color you have selected, bottom ring is which color is selected. Okay, you can swap the colors. You can click on this button on the left. You can see swap the colors. Here also in the color box, you can also see that. And here in sample may you can check average. So you can say see the average of this. So here also you can see the average color. So what is mean by average? Average of 51 pixels. They will take the average. They will sample that color and they will use it. And you can see that here all layers means otherwise you want only particular layer means all layers in current layer. So if I am selecting on current layer means this is current layer, but I don't know, it is no color is not selected there because current layer there is no color, but I am selecting here. You can see the colors would change. I am zooming out. You can see the upper circle is changing. So I usually say that don't work all layers because your color picker will not work properly. Only select the current layer. There is a ring you can see. You can avoid the ring also. You can select this. Okay. Whenever you are selecting the color, it will automatically show in the color palette. So here where it is exactly in the color palette. Okay, when you are working on a web, what you need to see that you show only web colors. All the colors will not display in web. If you split this color, then you open the color palette. Then you can check whether this color is web safe colors. So this is a web color. This is the color you can pick it. Okay, this is a value you can pick it. You cannot pick all the colors. So they will show you the web space color. Click on this button, you can see that. This is a hexadecimal value. This value is using by the programmers for the they are using for programming, and this colored values they are giving for buttons or anything. You can give this button to swatches means add to swatches. Then you can give a name. Okay, that will display on the swatches panel. And libraries also. I'll give a separate session about libraries and swatches panel later. So if you are there, you can go. You can see it is added on here. Okay, that's all about these are the colors we are last used in the swatches panel. I clearly explained. The eyedropper tool is the one. Then switching between foreground and background, there is a shortcut is called X. You can see here on the tools panel, color is changing. So I am changing to this color, then I am putting X, it is changing. Which color is a foreground color? That will, you can use it. X, see, this is a foreground color. See, again it is switching. So thank you for watching. Please work on this. This is very important. Shortcut key is I for eyedropper, and X for, you can use it for X for, you can use it for switching between foreground and background colors. Okay, so please explore this feature. This is very important. Day-to-day life may you will be using in when you are working on a Photoshop. Thank you for watching.